So guys, for the first step, you want to click on Control, Shift and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. Control, Shift and Escape, which will now pull up the task manager. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Run New Task and you want to type in Explorer.exe and then click on OK. Now once you do that, if you see Windows Explorer right here, you want to click on it and then click on Restart Task. Your screen is going to go black, but it's now going to appear again. And we can now close out of this. Next, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both those scans, for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.